Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you withdraw money from Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account and here logged in, so here on your top right, so you'll have your profile icon there. So click on your profile icon and then get to user center. So once you get to your user center here, all right, so if you go to your wallet just to see all your balance and everything, so if you get to your balance here, click on your balance and here, so if you have some Pandabuy balance here and you want to like withdraw that balance, so what you have to do is you simply have to click on this refund option here. So if you click on this refund option, what happens is that Pandabuy will initiate a refund to your original account. So for example, if you have used your bank account, so this amount will be sent to your bank account. So this normally would take around 2 to 3 days, and during this period, this amount, once you initiate the process, the amount will be frozen so that you can no longer access this. But once the process is completed, then the balance will be withdrawn to your bank account or any other account that you have used originally. So that's how you can withdraw money from Pandabuy. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So I hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.